Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So guys, in this video I am going to show you how to fix could not create account. Your account cannot be created at this time. This error mostly appear on Apple ID when you accept terms and conditions, and after that error appears on your iPhone screen. So in this video I am going to show you how you can fix that error if you are facing this kind of error on your iPhone. Firstly, I am going to clear you that if you created too many Apple IDs on your iPhone, this error will be appears because iPhone have a limit to create Apple IDs. So when you cross the limit and created unlimited Apple IDs, mostly this will happen on your iPhone. So how to fix that error? Firstly, we open the Safari browser and search here Apple ID, okay, .apple.com to create Apple ID. Now you can see appears on screen create Apple ID showing here. Okay, you need to sign up here and create your Apple ID from here, and then try to use that. It will 100%, then try to use that Apple ID, it will 100% fix on your iPhone. So if that method not working, then move to the next solution. The next solution is open iPhone settings. Okay, in settings section you need to tap on general. After that, check the update. If you have any pending iOS update on your iPhone, just update your iPhone to the latest iOS and then try to create your Apple ID. Okay, if that method is also not working, then move to the next solution. The next solution, when you try to create Apple ID, make sure you are connected with strong Wi-Fi or cellular data. To check that, open iPhone settings. In settings section you need to tap on Wi-Fi or cellular data. If you are using Wi-Fi, just turn it off and then turn it on after 5 to 10 seconds, and then check it's working or not. To check that, open Safari browser and search here anything. If it's working well, then try to create the Apple ID. So friends, by do simple step and apply it on your iPhone, you can easily fix that your iPhone created problem when you try to create Apple ID. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks for watching.